Greetings to you all from St. John's HSS Iravi Peru. September 16th is observed as World Ozone Day. It is aimed to limit and ultimately phase out the production of man-made chemicals. Ozone layer is a fragile shield of gas that protects the earth from harmful radiations of the sun and thus helping preserve life on the planet. In 1985, a British scientist team found that there is a sharp decline in the thickness of ozone layer and found out ozone hole. All the nations recognized that the chlorofluorocarbons were a threat to the ozone layer. In 1987, September 16, a treaty, Montreal Protocol to regulate CFCs was signed. In 1994, the UN General Assembly proclaimed 16 September as International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer. As a part of that, Science Club of our school have conducted so many awareness programs to the students, including seminar, competitions like online quiz, slogan making, poster making, and elocution competition via Google Meet. Let's have a round tour of those.
The seminar started at 6 pm with the prayer by Helen Susan Jobby, student of Standard 10. Headmaster Stephen George Sir delivered the welcome speech. Former Headmaster P.T. Jones Sir inaugurated the meeting and shared valuable information about protecting our Earth by keeping a thicker ozone layer in stratospheric zone. Pullad Sub-District Shastrangam Coordinator Mrs. Sarama Chako teacher delivered the felicitation speech. Teacher shared her views about the Ozone Day. The main message was delivered by Sri Shibu Joy Sir, teacher at CMS High School, Pudupalli. In his speech, he discussed about Montreal Protocol and reasons of ozone layer depletion. Global warming and rising temperature of ocean rings the alarm to human being to care our Mother Earth. He recited a poem by P.P. Ramachandran which reminds us to save the natural resources for our future generations also. He also reminded the importance of the saying, think globally, act locally. Nowadays, people became more selfish and lost the habit of sharing. Forest fire and the waste emitted from the ships to ocean also threatens our Earth's balance. Sir reminded the students about the importance of decreasing food distance, reducing the carbon footstep, reducing the usage of carbon-emitting vehicles, and increasing the usage of public transport system. Sir encouraged the students to walk short distance, use eco-friendly goods, and use biofertilizers. The class was very informative and interesting, which made the students to think to change the lifestyle and not the climate. After the speech, Sir had a fruitful interaction with the kids regarding the subject. Then it was the time for our former teacher Molji George to announce the winners of Ozone Day competitions. Miss Aditya C. Saji, student of Standard 9, sang a song during the meet. After that, Gerald Ma'am and Daniel Sir expressed the vote of thanks to all the participants.
Hello everyone, today is September 16th. We are celebrating this day as Ozone Day. The ozone layer is a region of the Earth's stratosphere which absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiations. The main purpose of celebrating the Ozone Day is to make people aware about the protection of ozone layers. The first Ozone Day was celebrated on 16 September 1994. Without an ozone layer, the harmful rays of the sun reaches the earth directly, and that is harmful for us. Ozone is made up of 3 oxygen atoms. World Ozone Day marks the importance and role of ozone layers in the environment. Nowadays, the ozone layer is depleting due to the excess use of chlorofluorocarbons in our daily life. And there will be also a negative impact on our lives. Let us work together for great future. Thank you so much.
A warm greetings to all. I'm Insulin Antoman of class 9A and I'm here to delve into the speech as today, 16th of September, is celebrated as Ozone Day. The ozone layer or the ozone sheet is a region of the Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. It is highly concentrated by ozone molecules. It is present in the lower part of the stratosphere, approximately 15 to 35 kilometers above the Earth. The ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by the French physicists Charles Fabry and Henri Bechet. The United Nations General Assembly designated September 16 as the International Day of Preservation of Ozone Layer. This day is celebrated to spread the awareness of ozone depletion. Ozone depletion is caused by CFCs, HCFCs, and aerosols and such other gases which have ozone depletion potential (ODP). If the harmful UV rays pass through the ozone layer and enters the earth, it will cause problems like skin cancer, sunburns, permanent blindness, and cataracts, as well as they will harm the plants and animals. Ozone layer can be saved by minimizing the use of cars and products which release CFCs, HCFCs, and aerosols like AC refrigerators. When there is a malfunction in AC and refrigerator, it releases more CFCs and HCFCs. So we should repair our AC and refrigerator in case of malfunction. Shaving cream, bathroom cleaners, hair sprays, spray paints, and all other kinds of sprays contain aerosols, so we should reduce their use. We should plant more and more trees to save our mother nature and the ozone layer. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all. Today I shall speak about the topic World Ozone Day. Earth without ozone is like a house without roof. World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th September in every year. In 1994, the United National General Assembly proclaimed 16th September the International Day of Preservation of Ozone Layer, commemorating the date of the signing. In 1987, of the Montreal Protocol of Substance that depleting the ozone layer. The theme of World Ozone is the life for 35 years of ozone layer protection. The ozone layer, a fragile sheet of gas, protect the earth from the harmful rays of the sun, thus helping preserve life on the planets. Life on the earth could not be possible without sunlight, but the sun containing harmful rays. These rays can cause a numerous skin disease, eye blindness, stunting of plants, etc. World Ozone Day marks the importance and role of the ozone layer in the environment. On this day, numerous activities and programs being held in order to spread awareness about importance of ozone layer and also depletion of ozone layer and how to protect it. I am concluding my words. Thank you. Have a nice day.